welcome back to my channel. Hope you all guys are fine. So let's go into today's class. Learning from class 25, that is algorithm design, PSEUD coding, wait until LED installation. Let's overview of today's class. Distance versus displacement, networks first law, motor principle, motor direction controls. So you can see in this distance versus displacements. Our distance is like a so long cut, and displacement is shortcut. So as you can see, the second is network's first law. As you can see, the two both are playing footballs. So let's make our clap controlled robot car. So let's understand the system of flowchart. Input is our sound sensor and control system is our Arduino Nano, and output is our car. For this you need breadboard with nano USB cable, sound sensor, jumper wires, a self-driving car. So you can see breadboard should be near the caster wheel. First step is connect nano with your laptop. Second step is connect all the wires connections. So as you can see and do. So you can see when I am saying something, it's the sound detects and it sends to motor driver, and it helps to give the output to the motors. Thank you. This is the output. So you can see hello. When I am saying something, the motor is rotating. Hello, 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 hello. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you guys. Bye bye.